Hi guys, this is THC the Herb Culture, and today we're gonna unbox the Cannablithe Herbal Mix. This is an Ayurvedic medicine which you can find anywhere in India and including our website. It is an Ayush certified, GMP certified, and a product made in India. This herbal mix includes 6 main ingredients, including the premium cannabis leaves, which are 5% in this mixture. This is a premium top shelf blend of Ayurvedic herbs with a net quantity of 50 grams. How do you use it? Add a tablespoon of herbal mix in the boiling water, brew calming cup of tea with 100% natural and top shelf Ayurvedic herbs. What are the benefits of it? Pain management, better respiration and digestion, improves focus, uplifts mood. Now this is what the mixture looks like, and its aroma is very much intensifying that it is telling me to make a cup of tea right now. You can distinctly identify the 6 different ingredients in the mixture. So this one was the small 10 grams packet and the other one was 50 grams packet. You can tear it and open it and make a cup of tea for yourself. So this was the Cannablithe Herbal Mix. Click on the like button if you like the video and also subscribe to THC the Herb Culture. Thank you.